Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 camera tips or tricks for your OPPO Find X3 Pro. So the first option will be set up to the volume buttons. They are located on the left side. Take a look, you can just click on the volume up or volume down and you can just take the photos. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to record the video. The next tip will be about the brightness adjustment, so you can just click on the screen and move this sun icon to decrease or increase brightness level. To do this automatically, click like that on the screen. Next, you are able to click in this place and switch the filters, and here you can quickly change the color and the temperature on your photos without using this manual Pro mode. When you want to get more details on your photos, you have to click in the right upper corner, select the 50 megapixel mode, and then just simply take the photo. Next, we have to go to the settings, where we can find options like the shading methods, where we can enable tap to capture or show palm. So let me show you. First option works like that. You can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken, and the palm gesture works like that. You have to switch to the selfie camera, show the palm of your hand, and the photo will be taken. So yeah, and if you want to get like more cool features, I can recommend you to go for the more mode, and you can enable, for example, the microscope mode, and let me show you how great it works. Maybe it will be good example to show you on my skin. It looks like that in the camera, but take a look how it looks when I just point this camera close to my skin on my palm. Okay, it's not that easy to show because we have to put it really close, maybe like that. Okay, my hand is actually shaking, so it's not that easy. But take a look, that's actually the structure of my skin. Right now I think you can see it really good. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit with this camera and also with the microscope. So take a look how close we can even take a look on my skin. We can also try to point on this button. Take a look, also that's the structure of this button. So that's like a real macro photo. Yeah, and yeah, that's all the tips for this device, for the camera. Hope you like it.